Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi and we picked up a few things from the Evil Empire this week, so I thought I would do a little testing video and share with you what we picked up. I say we, but just me. There's no we here, it's just me. I always say we, but it's just me. Okay, one of the things I got was these cute flakies by Kuka. If you saw my short, you already got a sneak peek of those. They are super pretty, so we're gonna definitely test those out. Then we've got something that you saw in Tuesday's video, and these are the Dageda. I'm gonna say Dageda, and they are some nail powders. Look how pretty that is. I'm just going to show you a few of these. We are not going to do an actual testing on these. Basically, because this is already a pretty long video. There are a lot of these. There's like 48 of them. Let me double check myself before I rickety wreck myself. Yes, there's 48 colors, so we're not going to test those all today. But I did want to show you a few of them. I will link Tuesday's video so that you can see me using them. I did break them out before this video, just, you know, because I wanted to. I'm just going to show you a few of these guys. I'm not gonna break open every single one, but I just wanted to show you how rich and pretty the colors are on these. When I bought them, the bottles were very tightly closed, which is good. And I had to actually get pliers to twist them apart because they're in those tube stacks. And those can sometimes be hard to get apart. So if that's a deal breaker for you, you might not like these. But every single one that I opened was pretty full, and the colors were really rich and pretty. And so far, it's a thumbs up from me. So I'm going to, of course, end up trying them all. Because, you know, just like Pokemon, you got to catch them all. And look at that. Look at that purple. It's the purples for me, guys. You know it. It's the purples for me. But also right now, it's the greens. I'm just so invested in green right now. And so knowing there was a whole tube of just green colors, that was kind of that and the purples. There's more than one purple in this. The pigments I have right now are nice, but they've just got a lot of orange and a lot of pink, and the rest of the colors are not represented that well. So I just wanted more colors, honestly. And look at that black. Look at how pretty that is. And it's kind of a mica. That first whole box is all mica powders. This one has got 3 of the tubes are more just regular pigments. And that blue one is just like the green. It's also got all mica powders in there. But look at this blue. It is freaking electric blue. Can you just imagine how pretty those micas are going to look mixed in with some gel for art, or even just like builder gel to make a whole nail, whatever color you want. I'm very excited about playing with these. I'm excited about the level of colors that you're getting. This actually yellow is very similar to the yellow I already have, but you can see there's a lot of other yellows in there. I like that there's blacks and silvers and golds. Everything is just super, super pretty. Here's one of the pinks. Very pretty pink, very rich, very kind of Barbie-esque. Although that pink right there might be a little more Barbie. What do you think? Another pink. Okay, so our next thing is going to be a set of 24 pigment powders from Saviland. Guys, these are gorgeous. I'm going to definitely do a little swatching of these for you. Here we go. Let's just get it started. I had a good time with these. I do want to say that the instructions are very specific, that you should only cure your top coat for 30 seconds. And that's exactly what I did. I just did a 30-second cure, and look at how silvery that silver is. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. I'm trying to use off the lids. I realized that was taking too much time, so I stopped doing that after this foursome. Okay, I decided to just save some product, like black and the black polish and the tips, and just do 4 colors on each nail. There's 24, so that's 6 nails, and that way you get a representation of every single color, but I save a little bit of product. So that's why we're doing it this way. But these are the real pretty golds and metallics, and I like that coppery, bronzy sort of one at the bottom. And there we go, there we go. Super, super pretty. We are going to put a top coat on this and then cure it for a full 60 seconds. Look at that mirror effect. This is much, much more chromy than the chromes I have now, which are by Born Pretty. I am 100% in love with these. They are freaking gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that red. Look at that. Oh, and I love how it blends perfectly with that pink. I definitely see that being a really cool fall ombre situation, or even early spring, right? With some greens in it. Look at that purple. You know it's the purples for me. Next to the green, that looks like the Joker. Okay, I feel like I've got to do Joker nails now. Look at how pretty that is. It doesn't even have top coat yet. And when you brush it off, it just shines. And look at this. Look, look, look. Oh, guys. I feel like a puppy crying for a bone because they're so pretty. And here we go. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this pink. This pink. I'm going to try not to repeat myself. These colors, though, they are everything. They're life. Okay, the ombre that these two together make, actually all 4 of these colors together are a perfect match. Look at how beautifully that ombre is together. You barely even have to try. That blue, another electric blue in the collection. And there's another pink. But like the pinks in these chromes are next level pinks. Next level pinks. I absolutely am obsessed with them. Here we go with a little top coat. And super, super pretty. Okay, now we've got this gorgeous corally red. And look at that mustard. Look at that mustard. And look at how gorgeous they just burnish right in. There is almost no effort being used here to make them look this good. And I will say I am at double speed right now, but you can definitely see that these just burnish right in. The first nail, I feel like maybe I screwed up the top coat a little bit because it is the worst one. But as you continue to work with them, it just gets easier and easier as you get the feeling of it with your hand. It gets easier and easier. I feel like I messed that top part up, so I was just fixing that. I want everything to look pretty for you guys. These 4 together, again, I think that's a whole set right there. You could do a whole set with these colors and you would be really, really happy with that. That's a glam set, 100%. Oh, and that looks like springtime to me. That's gorgeous. Okay, now we're going to come in with this super pretty, it's a different sort of shade of gold. I feel like the metallic ones take the longest to actually chrome out, but once they do, super pretty. And you don't want to be afraid to use the product because it definitely, you need to have a little bit on your makeup sponge to make sure that you're getting the right color. Now these 2 black ones, we're going to have to try it on other colors because honestly, I don't really see what it's doing. You let me know if you see it doing something there. I think maybe it made it a little blacker. I'm not sure that it's a chrome. And the other black on camera here, I can see they don't look that different. It's a little browner. The one at the very end, it looks a little browner. I'm not sure what it's doing. That's all I'm going to say about those two. I'm not sure what it's doing. Okay, this is another pretty silver. And as you can see, the metallic ones. But this one is, these are actually hollow. They've got a linear sort of hollow. You see that? So it's a hollow silver and then a hollow pink. The red doesn't really seem to reflect as much hollow as the others do, but it's definitely got a hollow shift there as well. And it's the same sort of tone of the red, so they ombre together real well like those other ones did. Super nice. And then here we go with that pretty, almost mustardy color. Look at that hollow. If you are a hollow fan, then these are the 4 for you. This is the ones that you're gonna love the most. I don't even know which ones I like the most, because every time I think, oh, those are the ones I like the most, I look at another one and think, okay, I wanted to show you in this kit, you do get a bunch of those makeup sponges. You also get a bunch in the Dageda set as well. So here's our chromes. Super, super pretty. Love them a lot. Not sure about the black ones, but we're going to figure it out. Maybe just mixing them with things is going to be fun. So here's our flakies. I just thought I would show you how they look. Each one's going to get its own nail. Each one has its own different flavor. This one's got a pink shift to it. All of them have kind of a yellow, as you can see when you look in the pans. They've got kind of a yellow base to them, the white ones. But when you put them on black, you don't see white at all. It's kind of a yellow when you shift it a certain way. But this one's got a mainly pink shift. Little purple in there. Then we're going to come in with this one that's more purple and less pink. It's got a little green in there too. When you look at it with your natural eye instead of through the camera, they've definitely got a different shift to them. And once you get the top coat on as well, it really does make all the different colors. Look at that. It makes it pop. It's like looking at it through a magnifying glass. It's so pretty. But this one's definitely got a blue, green, purple sort of shift going on. And then this last one is really much more green. Really, really pretty. This one and the first one of the dark colors, they look almost exactly the same to me. So I really don't know what the difference is. I feel like maybe if I try them on whites, I might be able to figure it out a little more, what the difference is. But on black, they really do look almost completely the same. And these are not reading on camera as pretty as they are in person. They just, like, that's pretty. But in person, and see in this shot, I think you see them a little bit better. The one's pink, one's a little more blue, one's a little more green. Now this is the first one in the dark. And it really doesn't look that much different than the white green. It's very, very similar. And I think it's because the black part of it is really just being lost in the black nail. So I think I'm to see the difference, I'm going to have to try it on white and see what it looks like. So maybe I'll do that in a short. Keep an eye out for the shorts. I have totally corrupted that top coat, by the way, 100%. It's full of micas and powders and glitters at this point. So that's that top coat's just going to be for glitter now. This one's very pinky, very, very pretty, very dramatic. I absolutely love this color of pink. 100%. My grandson and his parents are playing downstairs. They sound so cute. They are so adorable. Okay, here's our top coat. And we've only got one more thing left to swatch. So let's go ahead and get to the most important part of today's video. One of you, look at that shift. One of you is going to be able to pick one of these products, and I will have the Evil Empire ship it directly to you. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is be subscribed to this channel and leave a comment on this video. I will probably make a short and an Instagram about this giveaway, but don't comment there. Please comment there, but if you want to enter, make sure that you come back to this video and comment on this video, because that's where I'll be pulling the comments from for the giveaway. So if you want to win any one of these 3 products, whether it be the Dageda nail powders, the Kuka nail flakies, or the Saviland nail chrome powders, subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below, and I will let you choose the one product that you want, have it shipped directly to you from the Evil Empire, and then you can add it to your nail collection. So be sure to subscribe and be sure to comment. I can't wait to get one of these products out to you for your nail collection. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video with me. We are going to see you on Saturday for another awesome show. Mwah. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye.